Hello, everyone, and welcome to our meditation course for inner peace and spiritual growth. I'm very excited about starting this course with all of you. I am in Chile at the moment, and as you can see, it's very cold here. Uh, it's the start of autumn, and it's beautiful, beautiful nature. I am currently at my parents' country house. And this video is to have an introduction about what's happening, what to expect, how to prepare for the course. We are starting this Monday with one group and then on Tuesday with the other group. So we have independent classes, but all of us will be together on the same Facebook group. So the idea is that I'm creating a Facebook group for all of us to connect there, because in that place is where the recorded classes will be uploaded. So every week after we finish the class, I will be uploading the video into this Facebook group, and you can rewatch the replay. So if you attended the class, you can watch it again, or if you missed the class, you can just go there and watch the replay as well. Also, on the Facebook group, I will be sharing the weekly practice. So it's very important that for this course, we commit to develop a daily practice. Okay, so every week, I will upload a new practice for us. So we start with a 5-minute practice, and then a 10-minute practice the week after, all the way to 20-minute practice. Every week is a different practice. So in every class, we learn something new, right? The first week is about breath awareness and connecting with the breath. For some of you, this could feel very, very basic, but it will be the foundation for the next classes. So the second week, we are doing japa mala meditation with the mala beats. So we're going to start chanting mantras with meditation. So you will need a mala. You should know the malas are the beads with the beds, like that we put around our neck. Now these days they're very fashionable things to look more spiritual, but actually there are tools that we use for meditation and for spiritual practice. Okay, now on week 3, are we doing the candle gazing? So that's another practice we'll do. So for week 3, you need a candle. So on week 2, you need the mala. On week 3, you need a candle. You need to bring that with you. I will be reminding you anyway. And that's it. Then the rest, keep bringing your candles and your malas, because we might use them anyway after that. So for every class, I'll invite you to light a candle, because this is not just about meditation. It's also about spiritual growth. So every time we gather together, please have a candle there to invite, some good energy. And also, at the start of every session, we will start with a mantra. It takes only a few seconds. We will chant together Om Namah Shivaya 3 times. I will explain this on the first class so you understand why we're doing it. So basically, in summary, we are calling upon us the divine energy of greater consciousness, love, God, the universe, whatever you want to call it. But we are calling down the greater consciousness, and in this case is represented by the name of Shiva, to descend upon us, to purify our mind, to influence our soul, so then we can live a life that is led by the soul and not by the mind or the ego. So we start every class by doing that 3 times. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Very important. What else? Look, this course is about developing a daily practice. So please, 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 please take the time to commit to your daily practice, because the only way to transform our lives is by doing our practice. It's not by learning new things. And that's what I want to bring to this course. The importance of doing your daily practice instead of just learning something and then forget about it, which is what we all do. We learn a course, we pay a lot of money for courses, and then we don't implement it. So this course is about developing a daily practice that is achievable. We start with 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, and 20 minutes. And then you have options to follow. After 5 weeks, if you do your practice every day, which I will encourage you to commit for yourself, for your own inner peace, and for your own growth. If you do it every day, see how your life transforms. It's quite profound. Okay? I promise you, if you do the work, you transform your life. If you don't do the work, You are just wasting your time and your money. Okay, so we will have a Facebook group, and then I'll have a WhatsApp group as well to communicate. Okay, I will share the link of every class. So before we start, the classes are delivered via Zoom. So remember, it's an online course. So about half an hour before we start the class, I send the link. Please join in advance. We start 5 minutes earlier. I'll be connected, and then on the spots of your time starting, we start teaching. And if you miss one part, it's not going to be good for you. So please be on time. Connect at least 10 minutes before the class. Please, 10 minutes before the class, be connected. So you want to assume that your course starts 15 minutes before the time. Please program yourself for that, so then you can be online 10 minutes before we start the class. Because everyone joins before we start earlier. We only have an hour. Usually I run this thing for 3 hours. So please, let's make sure that we are all on time, because otherwise you are disrespecting everyone else there that is on time, and then we have to wait for you. Okay? Time is very important. What else? Yeah, I'll be sharing some information. So it's going to be theoretical, but also practical. The practice is the most important part. I'm very excited. We still have some spots available. So you have a friend you want to, invite to be part of this, please do. Invite them so you can support us as well by spreading the love and sharing about this very valuable course. I think I covered everything. So I hope I did. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to spending the next 5 weeks with you from Chile, and perhaps from Peru as well. Bye-bye.